Hello everybody, it's the Red Road Homestead again, and I just wanted to show you another little trick I do with my tomatoes. These are all eggshells from the eggs we use today. Sometimes I give them to the chickens, but what I do is I crumble them up, put them on a towel, and I let them dry. And once they dry, I add them to the tomato plants on top, and that's another source of calcium for the tomatoes. So just thought I'd show you another little tip of what I do to make the tomatoes grow better. And I'm getting ready to put these ones out here now. You've seen the newer ones I did, but this is what I do. I just add them down in here. And I just add them on the top of the tomato on the dirt there. And that's about it. Don't waste too much around here. Yeah, I gotta get in there and weed that one a little bit, but yeah. Try to give them some extra nutrients, help them grow. I got one more big one over here. There we go. I'll throw them in there. Let's see if I got them all. Well, I'll just shake them in these other ones. Okay. So yeah, that's what I do. Just another tip for y'all. I got all the tomatoes and peppers. Yeah, there we go. Get growing, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and I'll show you real quick. Well, up here in the front, I've planted some more bean seeds, so we'll see how that does. Put some up there too. Anyway, and I got one cucumber up here. Let's see what happens. And I planted some Italian. I can't even get in there. Oh, I don't think you can see it anyway, but I was trying to show you the sign. Italian pesto basil that I got from Garden State Gardener, the seeds. So, and my herbs are doing pretty good. So y'all have a good one. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later. Grow something!